Girls are more comfortable with guys who... Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are tackling a key aspect of attraction that might just be your secret weapon. Understanding what makes girls more comfortable around guys. It's not just about being nice or friendly, there's a deeper level of comfort that can significantly increase your appeal. In this video, we will explore the specific actions and behaviors that put women at ease and how you can incorporate these into your interactions to get more girls to like you. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to create a comfortable, engaging atmosphere that women naturally gravitate towards. Hang on till the end for a special bonus tip. It's a crucial piece of advice that can give you an edge in your interactions with women. Maintain a positive attitude. This mindset plays a crucial role in making interactions more pleasant and inviting. A positive and optimistic outlook can significantly impact how comfortable girls feel around you. When you maintain a cheerful demeanor and a positive approach to situations, it creates a light and welcoming atmosphere. This attitude is contagious, often leading to more enjoyable and relaxed interactions. Girls are generally more drawn to guys who exude positivity, as it indicates a healthy outlook on life and suggests that time spent with you will be uplifting and enjoyable. To cultivate this positive attitude, focus on the brighter aspects of situations and steer conversations towards optimistic topics. Even in challenging circumstances, try to find a silver lining or a constructive perspective. This doesn't mean you need to be perpetually cheerful or ignore reality, but rather approach life with a sense of hope and positivity. When interacting with girls, your positive attitude can make them feel more at ease and open, paving the way for deeper connections. Remember, a positive outlook is not just about making others feel comfortable, it's also benefiting your own mental and emotional well-being. Are patient and not pushy. Patience is a virtue, especially in building relationships. Girls often feel more comfortable around guys who show patience rather than those who are overly eager or pushy. This demeanor reflects respect for her feelings and boundaries. It signals that you are willing to let the relationship develop naturally, without forcing her into anything she's not ready for. Being patient suggests that you value her comfort and are considerate of her pace in the relationship, which can be incredibly reassuring and attractive. To practice patience, avoid rushing into topics or steps in the relationship that she might not be comfortable with yet. Give her space to express herself and make decisions at her own pace. Listen actively and respond to her cues. If you are planning dates or outings, consider her preferences and be flexible with plans. Being patient doesn't mean being passive. It's about striking a balance between taking initiative and respecting her comfort level. This approach can help build a foundation of trust and mutual respect, making her feel secure and valued in your company. Are open about their feelings. Many girls feel more at ease with guys who are open and communicative about their emotions. Yes, this openness indicates a level of vulnerability and honesty that can significantly deepen a connection. When a guy expresses his feelings clearly, whether they are about his day, his passions, or his views on a relationship, it creates a sense of trust and reliability. It shows that he is self-aware enough to handle emotions in a healthy way, which can be very reassuring and attractive to a girl. Being open about your feelings involves sharing your thoughts and emotions in an honest yet considerate manner. It's about striking a balance between being vulnerable and maintaining emotional stability. When you express your feelings, do so in a way that is authentic and respectful, both to yourself and to her. This might involve discussing your aspirations, fears, or even what you appreciate about your time with her. It's important, however, to be receptive to her responses and feelings as well, creating a two-way dialogue that fosters mutual understanding and respect. Demonstrate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a key attribute that makes a girl more comfortable around a guy. It involves the ability to understand and manage your own emotions as well as to recognize and respond appropriately to hers. When a guy demonstrates emotional intelligence, it shows that he can be empathetic, can handle emotional situations effectively, and is capable of providing support when needed. This skill creates a safe and understanding environment where a girl feels her emotions are acknowledged and respected. To demonstrate emotional intelligence, practice active listening when she speaks, showing that you are fully engaged and interested in understanding her perspective. Be attentive to her verbal and non-verbal cues to gauge her emotions. Respond with empathy and sensitivity, validating her feelings even if you don't always agree. It's also important to be open about your own emotions in a controlled and mature way. This exchange fosters a deeper emotional connection, making her feel that she can trust and rely on you for emotional support and understanding. If this video strikes a chord, don't hesitate to hit like and comment. Your feedback is crucial in crafting more content you will love. Are not judgmental. Girls tend to be more at ease with guys who show an open-minded and non-judgmental attitude. This approach fosters a safe environment where she can express her thoughts, experiences, and feelings without fear of criticism or harsh judgment. When a guy is accepting and understanding, it encourages honesty and vulnerability in conversations. This non-judgmental stance is crucial for building trust and respect, as it shows that you value her as an actual person. This non-judgmental stance is crucial for building trust and respect, as it shows that you value her as an individual and respect her experiences and viewpoints. To cultivate a non-judgmental attitude, actively listening to her without jumping to conclusions or offering unsolicited advice. Show empathy and understanding, even if her perspective is different from yours. Avoid making negative comments or criticisms about her choices and experiences. Instead, offer support and encouragement. If you do need to express a differing viewpoint, do so respectfully and thoughtfully. Demonstrating this open and accepting attitude not only makes her feel comfortable, but also deepens the mutual respect and connection in your relationship. Offer help or support when needed. Girls appreciate guys who are attentive to their needs and offer help or support when needed. This consideration goes beyond mere chivalry. It's all about showing genuine care and willingness to assist. Whether it's offering a listening ear during tough times, helping with a task, or providing emotional support, these actions demonstrate that you are compassionate and reliable. Such behaviour shows that you are not just interested in her for surface-level reasons, but you are also there to support her in a practical and meaningful way too. To effectively offer help or support, pay attention to her cues and listen to what she needs. Offer assistance in a way that's respectful and considerate of her independence. It's important not to overstep boundaries or insist on helping when she prefers to handle things on her own. The key is to be present and available without being overbearing. When you do provide support, do it with kindness and without expecting anything in return. This selflessness can significantly strengthen the trust and bond in your relationship, making her feel valued and cared for. Bonus tip. A vital bonus tip that complements the previous points is cultivating active listening skills. This practice can greatly enhance your interactions with girls. Let's delve into how active listening not only improves communication, but also demonstrates your genuine interest and respect for her. Active listening involves fully focusing on what she's saying, understanding her message, and responding thoughtfully. It's more than just hearing words, it's about engaging with her emotionally and intellectually. Show that you are listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking relevant questions. Avoid interrupting or formulating your response while she's still talking. Active listening demonstrates that you value her thoughts and feelings, creating a deeper level of understanding and connection. Now, it's a skill that shows empathy and respect, making her feel heard and appreciated, which are often key to fostering a strong and meaningful relationship. Mastering active listening can transform your interactions into more meaningful experiences. It not only shows your respect and care for her perspectives, but also builds a foundation of trust and empathy. Active listening can make her feel more comfortable and open, deepening the connection and enhancing your relationship. So, now that you know how to make women feel more comfortable around you, what's next on your journey? Are you interested in the signs that you have intense chemistry with her, or the things girls say when they've been missing you? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.